Hello traders, in this video, we are exploring the newly launched DDPI feature on FYERS. With DDPI, you can sell your equity holdings without the hassle of one-time passwords and tape-ins. Let's jump right in and discover how to enable DDPI on your FYERS account. Open the FYERS app and navigate to the portfolio section. Here, you'll find the Enable DDPI option. Clicking this prompts you to read the terms and conditions and pay a one-time fee of Rs 150. Click on Proceed to e-sign and you will be starting your e-sign process. Click on Proceed. E-sign using your Aadhaar details. Enter your Aadhaar details and click on Send OTP. After verification through an OTP, your DDPI will be activated within 24 hours. Now, let's demonstrate a quick trade to showcase the speed and ease of selling holdings with DDPI. As you can see, it's just a few taps away without any interruptions for additional security checks. If you have any questions about DDPI, please drop them in the comments below or join our community forum for more discussions.